Hey guys, I was sent this circuit breaker finder by KAIWEETS to do a quick box opening and demonstration. This model KT301P. See what we have in the box and test it out. Quick specs right there if you'd like to pause it and check it out. Nice little case. Comes with a light socket tester with the adapter on it, your power outlet tester, your probe, your plugs here. If you was going to, like me, working on a ceiling fan or something and needed to find out which wires are hot, just plug that in right there, just like so. Then you can hook up your alligator clip to the wires. Comes with 4 batteries, 2 will go in here, 2 will go in here. And a user manual. Just unscrew the small screw right there. And this is where your batteries will go. Here you'll just unscrew this one and your batteries will go inside here. Okay, if you have like a 2-prong plug, obviously this 3-prong is not going to work. So you can pull the plug out, be real careful. Then you'll be able to take your alligator clips and clip them on here. Then you can take this and plug it in here. And there we go. We have our voltage that we need. Now we can go out there and see which breaker it is. To calibrate it, you run it across all your breakers. Like so. And that should be calibrated. Now you can run it back over here. So now we know it's this one right here. So we can turn that breaker off. Okay, with it blinking right here, we know that we no longer have power in here. So now we're safe to replace that plug. Okay, we've got our plug replaced. Now let's turn this back on and see what we have. There we go. Works like a charm. Thumbs up. If you're looking for a circuit breaker tester, you might want to check this one out. Link in the description.